Hello friends, good morning. Today our topic is corrosion. Corrosion. What is corrosion? What is corrosion? According this, we try to understand the definition of corrosion, what is their process. In this topic, we can easily learn about rusting. What is rusting? Why does iron rust? And what is the chemical reaction of the rusting and chemical formula of the rust? And with other questions such as why does silver rust, why does a black layer on silver metal give chemical reaction, and another question, why does copper rust, why does a green layer on copper metal give chemical reaction. All these questions we solve here with their chemical reaction and their reason. So friends, come on our points. What is corrosion and the definition of corrosion? Corrosion is a natural process, and gradually decomposition decomposition of materials, usually metals. It is a oxidation reaction. You can see when we purchase a new iron, it is very shiny, but after some time iron is effective and rust in the atmosphere, and we see on a layer of brown, reddish brown substance which is called rust. By the rust, the iron is damaged. So, corrosion is a very important point. Now we discuss on our definition. How can we write the definition of the corrosion? I told you when the metals kept exposed react with air, moisture, acid, and other gases present in atmosphere and get corroded. This process is called corrosion. When we metal capped expose react with air, moisturizer, acid and other gases present in atmosphere and get corroded, this process is called corrosion. Now we discuss on the some question according to corrosion. Question number first. Why is sorry? What is rusting? What is rusting? Give the chemical reaction. This question is converted in other words. Why does iron rust? In this case, we can write here iron metal when left exposed react with moisture and air and get coated with a reddish brown powdery powdery substance called rust, and this process is known as rusting. We can write here in simple language rusting of iron is a slow chemical reaction between iron and oxygen of air in present presence presence of moisture. It is a simple definition of rusting. We see here the chemical reaction when ferrous, which is solid in state, react with oxygen, which is get from atmosphere, and water, which is get from moist air. These all react and make a base compound iron oxide. Iron oxide base compound reddish brown in color powder. This is the chemical reaction of rusting. It is a chemical changes and oxidation and reduction reaction. So we easily learn and write the about the rusting and chemical reaction of the rusting. Now we discuss on our next question. What is the chemical? What is the chemical formula of rust? The chemical formula of the rust is Fe2O3 dot X H2O. X equal to number of water molecules. Now we discuss here our next question number 3. Why does not rust on gold? It is a very important question for the competition classes and for the knowledge. In the periodic table, gold is a noble metal. Gold is a noble metal which is non-active element for the chemical formulation. So, gold is not rust, not rust in natural environment. Now we discuss on the our fourth question. Why does copper rust? Why does copper rust? In the other words, why does a green layer on copper metal give chemical reaction? According this, on the basis of corrosion, a green coating of copper carbonate, which is base compound, is formed on copper article because of reaction of copper with atmospheric carbon dioxide carbon dioxide we can write here chemical reaction when Carbon and oxygen, which is present in atmosphere, react with each other and form carbon dioxide. Same in the atmosphere, oxygen gas and hydrogen gas react with each other and form H2O. And in the same condition, copper metal react oxygen gas and form copper oxide. In this situation, carbon dioxide, water, and copper oxide, solid H2O presence in liquid form in the atmosphere, and carbon dioxide gas. These are react with each other and form copper carbonate and copper hydroxide. Copper carbonate and copper hydroxide. Copper is here base compound, which layer is green. So we can say here copper is corrosion. Copper is corrosion by the atmosphere. So he change his color and make a layer of copper carbonate, which is green layer. Now we discuss on our next question number 5. Why does silver rust? In the other words, why does a blackened layer on silver metal give chemical reaction? In the same process, on the basis of corrosion, surface of silver article get blackened blackened due to formation of silver sulfide by reaction with sulfur present in atmosphere. We easily can write here the chemical reaction twice Ag in the base of solid with react H2S gas and form a Ag2S silver sulfide and hydrogen gas. Silver sulfide is a blackened layer. So we can say in the condition of corrosion, silver metal is rust or blanket a layer of silver sulfide. In this process,